You've got $100. You could buy 10 coffees, one overpriced t-shirt, or you could start investing and make that $100 grow. Sound impossible? It's not, and I'll show you how. When I first thought about investing, I was like, don't I need thousands of dollars for that? Turns out you don't. Even $100 can get you started on building wealth if you know what to do. And no, hiding it under your mattress doesn't count as investing. Starting small helps you learn without risking too much. Plus, $100 is all about building habits, not getting rich overnight. Think of it like planting a seed. It won't grow into a tree tomorrow, but one day you'll have shade and maybe some fruit. ETFs are like a basket of stocks. Instead of buying one company, you're buying pieces of many. They're affordable and a great way to diversify your $100. Think S&P 500 ETFs. It's like owning a slice of America's top companies. Can't afford a whole Tesla or Amazon share? No problem. With fractional shares, you can buy a piece of expensive stocks for as little as $1. Now you can say, I own Tesla, and sound fancy. Just don't mention it's 0.0001%. Robo-advisors are like hiring a financial expert, but way cheaper. They take your $100, invest it for you, and handle all the boring stuff. If you're super cautious, put that $100 in a high-yield savings account or government bonds. It's safe, but don't expect huge returns. It's like watching grass grow, but hey, at least it's growing. Pick a platform apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull make investing easy and beginner-friendly. Set up an account. It's as simple as signing up, linking your bank account, and transferring $100. Choose what to invest and start with something simple, like an ETF or fractional share of a big company. Invest and chill. Don't obsess over daily ups and downs. Investing is a long game. Here's the magic of investing. If you invest $100 and add $25 a month with a 7% return, you'll have over $12,000 in 20 years. Start small, think big. Starting with $100 might feel tiny, but it's the first step to building wealth. What's stopping you? Drop your investing questions in the comments. I might make a video about it. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friend who keeps spending $100 on snacks.